Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
Data science application using MOR and DL techniques.
Part 6.
So these are the main components of data science: data exploration, modeling, and testing the model, deploying the model. So data exploration is nothing but classifying the data. Modeling is nothing but simplified version of the reality. Testing the model, we are testing whether our model is working or not. And deployment, finally we have completed our project and software is ready to deploy in the market. Then these are a few more subjective wise components: data, big data, machine learning, statistics, and probability, and any one programming language. So data is nothing but is a raw material. Data may be a structured data, unstructured data, semi-structured data. So big data is enormously deals with the various data sets like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, etc. with the various V's like volume, velocity, variety, vision, value, etc. Machine learning is nothing but learning from the observational data. So further three types we are using. Supervised learning means there is a target class, there is a label, we are classifying the data. Example, classification. Unsupervised learning, there is no label, there is no target class, but we would like to classify the data based on the similarity measure by using Euclidean distance, Minkowski distance, Manhattan distance. Unsupervised learning, example, clustering. Reinforcement learning, based on the punishment and reward, we are solving the problems, especially in gaming applications. Even ChatGPT working on reinforcement learning. Then statistics and probability. The numerical foundation of data science is insights and likelihood by using statistics and probability techniques. Any one programming language, so like Python or MATLAB, Go, etc., Java, JavaScript. Then the task of data scientist versus data analyst. Data analyst performs business administrative tasks, data exploration, analysis, and insights. Data scientist includes analyst part and as well as advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques, data product engineering. Then these are the data science tools. The first famous tool has statistical analysis software, Apache Spark, big machine learning tool, D3, JavaScript tool, MATLAB, Excel, ggplot2, Tableau. Tableau is a visualization tool. Jupyter, it is a Python editor. Matplotlib, to generate visualizations, graphs, we are using Matplotlib in Python. Natural language toolkit, in order to convert one language to another language, we are using NLTK tool. Scikit-learn, it is a framework in order to solve machine learning applications. TensorFlow, it is a framework in order to solve machine learning, AI, big data applications. Weka is a data mining tool. Weka expansion is Waikato Environment Knowledge for Analysis. Weka came from Mecca. Mecca is a flyless bird at New Zealand. Waikato University, two professors developed Weka tool for data analysis. Okay, these are the various tools. Then for small scale industries, they are using Google Analytics, Excel, Burst, CrazyEgg, Kissmetrics, ClickSense, Insight Squared, Tableau, TIBCO Spotfire, Clear Story Data. These are the data science tools for small business. Then these are the data science tools like Tableau. It is a visualization tool. Excel, everybody knows. RapidMiner, it is a data mining tool. Data Robot is an artificial intelligence tool. ClickView, it is a visualization tool. H2O, it is a AI tool. TensorFlow, it is a machine learning and deep learning library. BigML, it is big data tool. And Snowflake, data warehousing tool. Trifactor, data warehousing tool. Then these are the top algorithms we are using in data science, like linear regression. It is a statistical method. Logistic regression, decision tree data mining technique, naive-based classification, K nearest neighbor algorithm. These are the classification algorithm. Even support vector mission is a classification algorithm. K means clustering, principal component analysis for biometric application like face recognition application, neural networks, random forest. These are the top 10 data science algorithms we are using in this data science. So as a data scientist, you must have knowledge on all these things like programming language, anyone, Python or Java, data visualization, any one tool, Tableau, Power BI, Matplotlib, ggplot, Seaborn, ClickView, then IDE, integration development learning environment. You can use any IDE like PyCharm, Jupyter, Collaboratory, Spider, RStudio. Web scraping tools like Beautiful Soap, Scrapy, URL-lib. And deployment purpose, we are using Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure. In mathematics, you need to know statistics, linear algebra, differential calculus. Data analysis, you need to have feature engineering, data wrangling, exploratory data analysis. In machine learning, we are using classification, regression, reinforcement learning, deep learning, clustering, dimensionality reduction. So these are the top 10 algorithms I have explained. And these are the various tools like for data storage. We are using Mongo database, MySQL, Hadoop, etc. It is used for joins, what RDBMS do for living. Then transformation, we are using Spark, Python. If you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change with the help of these tools. Model is a simplified version of the reality. So AI usually beats natural stupidity by using these tools like sklearn, Pandas, Spark, Python, etc. Visualization, we are using various tools like Power BI, Tableau, ClickView. These are the visualization tools. Other tools like Kafka and various Python tools, etc. So data science minimum knowledge you need to have: mathematics and skills, ethical hacking skills, team player skills, lifelong learning skills, communication skills, real world project skills, machine learning skills, data visualization skills, data wrangling and processing skills, coding skills, Python and R. So skills, a data scientist have minimum data mining, big data, research analytics, machine learning, Python or data analysis. So these are the responsibilities versus data scientist versus data engineer. Okay. So data scientists develop, construct, test and maintain architectures, whereas data engineer conduct research to answer industry and business questions. Data scientists ensure architecture will support the requirements of the business, whereas data engineer performs large volumes of data from internal and external sources to answer the business. Data scientists discover opportunities for data acquisition. Data engineer employs sophisticated analytics programs, machine learning and statistical methods to prepare data for use in predictive and prescriptive modeling. Like there are various responsibilities and roles of data scientist versus data engineer. So skills required by a data scientist: 70 to 80% of statistics, 70 to 80% of predictive modeling, 10 to 15 machine learning, text mining 30%, and 5% visualization.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.